Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Yellow color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cap. D for donkey. E for eggplant. F for fridge. G for guava. Red color. H for house. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nest. Black color. O for owl. P for piano. Q for queen. R for ring. S for sister. T for tomato. U for umbrella. Green color. V for village. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learn today? We learn about yellow color, red color, black color and green color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.